hi, Mom. Say hi. She's roasting some soybeans. We're gonna make fermented soybean patties with these. After roasting, it gets washed. Thoroughly wash it, and then we're gonna boil it. Lid on, and then we boil it till it's soft, right, Mom? Okay, so this is after 5 hours of boiling. It is ready for the next step. Putting it in a basket. Okay, now she's covering it with towel. Okay guys, so this has been fermenting for about a week. We've been putting it in the sun, and this is what it looks like. Fermented. So it's sticky. Sticky, and it's ready to be mashed. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, so now we're gonna smash it up from this to this. Okay, smash, smash, smash until it's pasty. Okay, so after you smash it, this is what it looks like, guys. Sticky, very sticky. Now we're gonna season it. Okay, so now we're gonna season it with some chopped ginger, garlic, ground chili pepper, MSG, and salt. Okay, gonna mix all that together. Okay, got Mom mashing all the seasoning together to the fermented beans. Okay, now we're gonna make it into patties. This is how you do it. This is the seasoned bean paste. Mom's got her homemade tools. There you go. Okay, come over here. Onto the drying rack it goes. And this will take a couple days to dry, right? Depending on how hot the weather is. Okay, so this has been drying in the sun for about a day, and it should look like this. Yummy, yummy. Looky here. This is Toah Panh. In Thai we call this Toah Panh, and it's basically soybean patties. Fermented soybean patties, Toah Panh. We eat this with sticky rice, guys. Smells so good. Got some sticky rice. This is how you eat it. Take some sticky rice. Take a piece of this. Smells good. So good, so authentic. Yummy, yummy. Mom made this. Fresh homemade Thai Toah Panh. Mom thinks it needs more salt, but I think it's perfect. You can also sprinkle salt on here after you fry it if you want. But yeah.
เอ้ย
แซ่บแซ่บ
มาเด้อมาเด้อ
เด้อเด้อแซ่บแซ่บ
ไก่ดื้อทนเอาแผน
อืม
Hey, bye. Say bye, Mom.
Bye.